guys, CAFN8D Diarrgeta, and today I'm going to be doing a Blizzard review. As you can see, I'm downloading their newest game, their newest release, StarCraft. The original StarCraft. We're gonna download the original StarCraft. We only have 2.4 gigabytes remaining, and we can experience this great new 18-year-old game. I can't wait. All right, so while I'm waiting, I'm just gonna delete my old ISOs I used to have the game at. Wait a minute. 1.3 gigabytes. Oh, how do I have 2.4 gigabytes remaining when I'm already like 2/3 done downloading? What? I'm gonna give it 4 gigabytes.